Okay, so this Keurig is only a week old. I've only got about half a dozen uses. Power's off right now, as you can see. Now watch what happens when I turn this on. This is what I found out this morning. I turn it on and it starts pouring water automatically, and it'll drain my whole tank. Now right there is more than the 12-ounce portion, and we're coming up to about 18 ounces now. Probably about 20 ounces at the brim at least. I'm not going to let it overflow, obviously, but this keeps happening. And there's nothing I can do to resolve this. I gotta turn it off. Come on, turn it off.